Dinesh Avelia, consultant dermatologist from the city of Kolkata. I'm attached to few corporate hospitals also. On this Sunday, that is on 9th of February 2020, I'll be talking about psoriasis and its various problems related to psoriasis. I will be discussing about topical management as well as systemic therapies which may be conventional, and later on I'll touch upon biologics also for psoriasis, and in certain special populations and other comorbid conditions associated with psoriasis also we will discuss in detail. So hope to see you on 9th of February between 11 and 12, and I wish that you will all attend the program and we can discuss actively, and I need your active participation for the same so that it bears a good fruit on the topic and the labor involved. Thank you so much.